Microsoft is still working on a permanent solution to fix the Photos app. Microsoft, the American tech giant, has recently introduced some new upgrades in Windows 11. Microsoft Photos Windows Default Image Viewer app comes pre-installed with the platform. However, users have been complaining that the Photos app is not working properly in Windows 11. The bug mainly affects organizations and business customers, as regular home users rarely have any policies applied to their home machines. To fix this issue, Microsoft has issued an official workaround for affected customers. While the solution Microsoft suggests is not very elegant, it will help fix the problem for users. How to fix the Photos app on Windows 11. Restart your PC and check if the Photos app starts working. Check for Windows updates and install any if required. If you are in the dev channel, switch to beta. If none of these work, follow these steps. Download the latest WinApps DK and select the appropriate one for your PC. Right-click the Windows App Runtime installed x64.exe file and select Run as administrator. A command prompt window will open and display text as the installation takes place. If you're an administrator, you can execute the installer using either the system or admin option. The installer only needs to be run once per device. Since this solution is temporary, Microsoft stated that it is working on a permanent fix that will be available soon.